Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make rustic pizza. For this recipe, you will need 3 bundles of broccoli rabe, also known as rapini, 6 sweet dried peppers, 2 large garlic cloves, 1 kilo of store-bought pizza dough, 16 slices of provolone cheese, 18 slices of rosemary ham known as prosciutto cotto, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of Romano breadcrumbs, 1 medium egg white for brushing. You will also need 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste to cook your broccoli rabe, 1 tablespoon of soft semi-salted butter to grease your oven dish. Here is the procedure. Remove the hard stem from the broccoli rabe and cut the tender stem in half. And then cut again. Rinse under running water, drain and set aside. Remove the ends from the sweet dried peppers, cut them in half and discard the seeds. Set these aside. Cut the garlic cloves and add them to a wide skillet. Break up the sweet dried peppers with your fingers and add them in. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Saute for 2 minutes over low-medium heat until the garlic and peppers brown. Throw the broccoli rabe in. Saute for 2 minutes, stirring them. Add salt to taste, stir and continue sauteing for another 15 minutes. Once cooked, drain and set aside. Grease a 10-inch wide by 2-inch high oven dish with soft semi-salted butter. Dust your work surface, add some flour on top of the dough and cut the dough in half. Dust with more flour, shape into balls, set 1 ball aside for later. Let's prepare the base. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough, flatten a little with your hands, roll out the dough a few inches wider than your dish. Transfer the dough inside the dish and adjust it all around. Poke holes with a fork. Add the breadcrumbs, spread them out nicely, poke more holes around the sides. Poking holes allows the steam to escape and it also avoids the dough from bubbling. The breadcrumbs will absorb the juice from the broccoli rabe and they will also prevent the crust from getting soggy. Add the drained broccoli rabe and then add the provolone and rosemary ham slices. Add Parmesan cheese and repeat. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is preheating, roll out the top layer. Place the flattened dough on top, adjust, and tuck it in well all around. Poke holes and brush with egg white. Place a tray underneath your oven dish to avoid spills on your oven floor and bake for 35 minutes on bottom rack. After 35 minutes, cover with foil. Bake for another 8 to 10 minutes until nice and golden. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.